Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean up Gmail inbox. So first, as you can see, I have opened my Gmail inbox. And here, as you can see, I have a 148 message on my inbox. Now, if you want to clean up your Gmail inbox, all you need to do is click on this gear icon, which is the settings at the top right, and then click on See All Settings. And once you click on this one, go to this inbox tab. And basically, just need to check these categories right here. For example, promotions, social, and updates. So when you check on this one, and once you've done, scroll down and then click on Save Changes. Now, once you've done, go back to your inbox. And as you can see, I have only 8 messages. And if you click on this tab right here, you'll find the promotions. So all of the message from promotion, social, and updates. Now, if you want to specifically delete a message here on your inbox, for example, here in promotions, and I want to delete message from or messages from Squarespace. So basically right here, find the Squarespace and right click this one. And here, click on find emails from Squarespace. And you'll find all the messages. Now, if you want to clean this up, just click this select all and then click on trash bin icon right here to delete all of these messages. So yeah, that's how you basically do that. Just need to go back again to that inbox. So I will show you again here on social. For example, I want to delete some messages from Goodreads. So right click and then click on find emails from Goodreads. Then here again, select all and then select this delete icon. And you can also delete this one by one. You just need to check the box right there beside that message and just have to delete that message there. So yeah, so if you want to just go back to that settings here, so click on the gear icon at the top right, click on see all settings. And if you uncheck all of the boxes here, all of the categories, and then click on Save Changes. So as you can see, from 148, it is down to 119 messages. So yeah, that's how you basically clean up Gmail inbox. So just need to follow all these simple steps right there, and you can delete or clean up your messages on your Gmail. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.